Come here, girls. Girls, come out here. Come out here. Gretchen, just do this. Okay, come on. Over here, girls. Over here. Naomi, come on. Naomi, this way.
That was horrible. Naomi!
This way. This way.
Okay, whenever I hold out my hand, what comes?
Naomi, they're eating right out of the bag. He's eating. They're not poor little guys. Oh my word. No, do it because Nani's coming. Go. Now is the time.
Okay, take
Hey, on the southern bag.
I know it's gross, isn't it? Oh, right out of the sky, Naomi.
Ow. I accidentally stepped on one.